Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. This is Devi, and in today's video I'm going to look at the updates from the Ethereum smart contract program, and we're going to look at what the creator of the program has for us. So this is one of my accounts, and so far the contract is doing very well. The smart contract balance, we have over 6,300 ETH, and over 1,700 ETH has been withdrawn by the members. So the contract is doing very well, and all it's doing is just being healthy. So now the first update is that I got an information from the owner. He's saying that the contract will be verified by 9th July. By 9th July it will be verified. They are still fixing in some new features, as I'm going to look at them here. So that is by 9th July the contract promised us it will be verified. So that's the first update. And the second update is that now the site is showing the total number of members, and that is being shown here, down here. So it is going to be showing, remember this feature has not been here. So from now we are going to be able to take note of the total members that have joined the program. Another thing is that also they have added this support feature here. So if you want to contact support, you can click on it. It will open like that, so you can be able to send them a message in case you're having some issues with your account. That is the third update. And the fourth is that the owner is trying to improve this program as much as we want it to. So he told us that they are going to be a Telegram bot for all notifications that are coming in for all the activities that are being done on our accounts. And the upcoming Telegram bot for notifications is that you will be able to receive notifications when you receive the 1% daily return, and you will be able to receive a notification when you get direct commissions, and when you get matching bonuses, and when the daily top sponsor is also received for those who qualified. We have the daily top sponsor here. I've never qualified for it, so it is ever 0. So for those who qualify to get this sponsor bonus, you will be getting a notification that you've got it, and another notification will come when you get the 310% limit, or when you reach that limit. And another notification also will come when you get new referral sign-ups, and when there will also be a weekly reminder to remind you to make a withdrawal. So those are the notifications that we are going to be getting once the bot is completed. So you guys just be prepared for all those new features. And then the fifth update is that the owner has requested all members to stop using the word investment in this program. Actually, he's telling us that the site or the program is not an investment. It is just a deposit of support towards the community. So it is a community built So just as every other contract, any earnings comes from other members. This is the support fund, or you can call it an aid, or you can call it a give support program. And it will be sustainable as long as the community is growing. So it is open to both the passive investor as well as rewarding the active marketers. So you guys, I suggest you go out and spread the word for Etherchain, because as we can see here, the contract is doing very well. Over 6,300 ETH is deposited into the program, and this is improving day by day. So promote the program. You will be able to earn referral bonuses and also matching bonuses when your referrals get the daily returns. So the program has got an active Telegram chat. This is the Telegram chat. I'm going to leave a link in the description. You can always subscribe to the channel so that you won't be able to miss any update. As you can see here, there is a Zoom in an hour's time, and they are saying that let's get 500 new people on the call. So you invite your friends to the Zooms. And it has also got an active Facebook group here. It is called Etherchain Support. I'm also going to leave a link in the description. It is active. There is this guy here. He withdrew to Ethereum and he posted the video here. So you can also join the group and see what's going on there. This is me. I made an official intro. I also posted it here. So you guys, so that's about the groups. And for all those who want to join the program, I'm going to leave my link in the description of the video. You can join through me. I can be able to support you. I also have some tutorials. You can as well subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any update from me again. So that's it for this video, guys. Join Etherchain and want to grow this community to be a very big community, and we shall earn from it. So see you guys in another video.